Hey everyone, today I am going to be doing a different type of video. Hi Luna. And Luna is going to be joining us because I just don't want to lock her up at the moment. But I have a mystery bag to go through of donations that I got, and I thought it'd be kind of fun just to do it on camera and pull things out and have it be a surprise and share that with you. I have a bag right here of clothes. I'm pretty sure it's just clothes, but we'll see if there's anything else in there. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna categorize these things into different categories. So one category would be to keep for myself, to add to my wardrobe. Second category will be to take to a buy, sell, trade. And third category, sorry, I'm trying. This video may be all over the place because I am also dealing with my dog. The last category is to see if there's anything that I possibly could sell on Poshmark. Hopefully dog hair doesn't get all over the clothes, but I have a feeling it might. Yeah, I know, so exciting. Hey, get your nose out of there. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work out with the dog in here. First thing in here is a robe. It's a blue, cobalt blue robe. Oh my goodness. It says bridesmaids on the back, or bridesmaid on the back. If it didn't say bridesmaid, I would probably keep this, but I don't know what to do with this. So, oh, I guess fourth category is redonate, pass it on to someone else. Mystery item number 2. This is from White House Black Market, size small, and it's got like a stretch kind of off the shoulder, and it's floral, and this at the end of the sleeves, it's got like a billowy sleeve and then stretchy at the end of the sleeve, and it's actually really pretty. So it's like sheer, but then it's got the floral, and some of the floral is like textured a little bit. So try and show you it. And yeah, that's really pretty actually. I don't know if this is quite my style, so I doubt I will keep this. I don't know if this is something that I could take to a buy sell trade. Maybe Clothes Mentor would take something like this. Okay, this next one is a dress. It's gonna be a little hard to show you because I am sitting down. This is by BCBG Max Azria in a size 12. And this is actually really pretty and nice. I'm gonna try and give you the full effect. This might be something that I can list. I don't know if it has any flaws on it. I guess I'll have to look it over a little bit more, but this seems really nice. It says it's the Abigail. Maybe that's the style. Okay, next item. Somebody is very interested in here. This is a sports bra from Nike. This is like a neon green, yellow, and black sports bra. So here, let me give you a closer view of this. So this is the Nike Dry Fit in a size medium. This will likely just be redonated unless buy sell trades take these kinds of things. I don't really know. I had to put away Luna. She's not letting me get anything done, so let's continue. Next thing in here, these look like culottes. Is that what these are? I mean, they're not very long, but they're wide, like wide leg. These are from Banana Republic. There's size 4. Oh yeah, it literally says culotte on the tag. And these are from holiday 2015, so these are old. But culottes were like a thing back then, right? Are they back? I don't even know. I may take this to a buy sell trade. Again, I don't know if this is trending right now. I kind of thought maybe it was coming back, but I could be wrong. Oh, we have another sports bra, Nike sports bra. This one is a neon orange or like a coral color. This is also dry fit, size medium. Okay, we've got quite a bit of dry fit Nike in here. Here is another Nike Dri-FIT. These are a pair of shorts, and these are actually really cute, but they look a little small. Yeah, these are in a size small, so these will not fit me. But if they would have, I would have kept them because these are super cute. This is what the side looks like. I think Buy Sell Trade would take this. So again, I'm washing everything before whatever I end up doing with them. So this, I think, might be a good Buy Sell Trade item. I could be wrong. If you are well versed in Buy Sell Trade and I am incorrect, please tell me. It'll save me some embarrassment. These are also Nike, and I have a feeling these are also the Dri-FIT. Yes, size small. These are super cute as well. Look at that, that's really cute. Here's the side. These also have the inside lining thing, underwear thing. They don't look gross, I'm just putting that out there. These are from the brand Pistola. I'm not sure I've ever heard of that brand. This is what the back looks like. There is definitely some distressing going on here, and these are in the size 27. So again, not gonna fit me. It's kind of a bummer because I could use some shorts. Maybe Buy Sell Trade. Next is another pair of shorts. These are super cute. These are like a seersucker material and pattern, like a stripy seersucker. It has that kind of texture of seersucker. And then I don't know if you can be able to tell, but there's like these little pink anchors all throughout. And this is from J. Crew. This is their City Fit, size 0, 100% cotton. So again, definitely not gonna fit me, but I don't know, maybe Buy Sell Trade. We have something very bright blue, one of my favorite colors. And this is from Cherokee Infinity, and it zips all the way up. So it looks like this, got a little mock neck. It's long sleeve. It's actually really cute. Very nice condition. Like almost like it's never been worn. This is size medium. I don't know, should I try it on? I don't know, this might be what I have to try on. This is from Chico's. This is a size 2. Oh my goodness, this looks like a dress that when I worked in fashion, I tried to duplicate this for our company. Oh my gosh, this is the dress, guys. This is absolutely insane. It's got this, you're not gonna be able to see, but like sleeve detail right here. And it's kind of like a cape, and then bottom like a dress, like a very slimming dress underneath. Oh, this is just absolutely hilarious. This is identical. This is like years ago. I'm not sure if this is something I could sell or not. I'm not super well versed with Chico's and the resale value. Next is from Adidas, and this is a size medium, and this is like a half zip, again, a mock neck. It's got the Adidas logo there, long sleeve. I might try this on as well. It kind of looks like it might be slightly big, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Okay, this is from Universal Thread. In a size extra small, and this is like a very much like woven open knit cardigan with pockets. It's actually really cute. I will probably try this on for myself, and if I don't want it, I will take this to Buy Sell Trade. This looks cute. Oh, this is super cute. This is really cute. It feels like really good material. Like it feels like a jean, soft jean material. It is this kind of like army green kind of color. It buttons up in the front. This is really cute. Oh, and the hem. Look at the hemline. It's all like torn kind of a thing, but it's intentionally torn. It also has pockets. This is really cute. Oh, well, this is a size extra small. I was gonna say, I'm gonna try this on. But it kind of looks like it could be generous. What is this? This is Ann Denim. 100% cotton. So, I don't know, I might try it on. I doubt it's gonna fit, so it'll probably go to buy sell trade. Again, I am new to reselling and all of this, so if you have any knowledge on anything I'm showing you, please leave me a comment down below. I'm still learning and would love to learn from you. Okay, so this is a Gap cardigan. And this again is really nice. Just open cardigan. This one does not have pockets. It does have some side slits. I'm doing a really bad job at showing you. It's got side slits. It's got long sleeves that looked like they were cuffed. It's just a navy cardigan. And this is from Gap and a size small. I don't know, maybe I could try that one on as well. Again, if not, buy sell trade. All right, we have a pair of pants. Oh, I think this is Ralph Lauren. Yeah, Lauren premium jeans. These are in the size 16. They are majority cotton. Let me button them up so I can show you them properly. This is what they look like. This is what the back looks like. Here's the patch that I saw. These are a size 16. And they look like they are in pretty good shape. Like, I don't see any puckering or any like wear or anything. So I might have to look those up to sell. Maybe, we will see. So I'm gonna look that one up. Okay, we got some more denim. Oh, more Ralph Lauren. Lauren Jeans Company, Ralph Lauren. These are also size 16. And they also have a patch in the back. These are black though. These are black jeans. And then this back. Here's the patch. So cool. So I'm gonna look those up as well. So got a handful of things I might be able to resell. So far, we're almost done with the bag. If this is something you guys like or are interested in, please let me know and I will do this again. It's fun for me. I'm having fun. This is Mario Serrani, Italy. Like, I feel like I've heard that name before, but I can't put my finger on where. Anyway, this is like a cheetah leopard print. I never know the difference. Just a very simple long sleeve top. Like, it's very simple. It does have some side slits. I don't know if this is worth looking up or not. Maybe I will look it up. If it's nothing, I may just redonate that. I don't know. Next is a pair of Lee Snap pants. Lots of pockets going on here. Very bright orangey coral color. And these are more of like a capri or Bermuda short, maybe, kind of. Oh, they do have quite a bit of staining on them though, so I don't know, those might just get redonated. Okay, we have two more things it looks like in the bag, and I'm seeing tags. Okay, so that is everything. This bag is empty. We have some things new with tags in here, which is exciting. Okay, this is not as exciting because of the brand, but I don't know, I might be able to take into a buy sell trade. This is Gloria Vanderbilt. I know this isn't something that I can really sell. At least I don't think I can. Definitely not used. I don't know about new tags. These are in the color Lemon Shine. They are size 8 and the name is the Amanda Classic Fit. They're tapered. Ultra stretch it says. So let me give you a closer up look at these. Oh, what size are these? These are size 8. Did I say that already? I don't know. Definitely want to give these a good home, I feel like, somehow. Even if I do have to resell them and just resell them for super cheap, or are they both the same size? Yeah, they're both same size, so I could always bundle them. These are in the color Orange Soda. I love the color names. So same exact fit, Amanda Tapered Classic Ultra Stretch. So I don't know, maybe I could bundle them. I'll have to look into that because I know it's not a brand to sell used, but maybe new. I don't know. Okay, that is everything I have to share with you in this mystery bag. I had fun. I don't know. I just think it's fun to go through stuff. If you guys had fun, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you want to see more of these because I will definitely do more. I will. I enjoyed this. All right, I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye.